breaking news that's coming in regarding justice for Devi. That chorus has intensified further. Doctors are unrelenting in their stir. The Supreme Court's 5 p.m. deadline to end the doctors' strike has now been surpassed, with the protest still continuing. The Apex Court, remember, had asked doctors to resume work by 5 p.m. today. The doctors have given an ultimatum to the Mamata Banerjee-led West Bengal government. They say that she should fulfill our demands by 5 p.m. Junior doctors' big announcement. In fact, doctors have also said that we are not returning to duty. This statement, remember, comes despite the Supreme Court urging and directing the junior doctors to return to duty. My colleague Shreya is joining us with more details. She's been tracking the developments happening in Kolkata. Shreya, what's the latest that you're picking up, despite the fact that the Supreme Court had directed the junior doctors to stop their protests and return to work? That really hasn't happened. In fact, the doctors have now given an ultimatum to the state government to fulfill their demands.
Well, of course, the doctors have given an ultimatum to the state government, and right now we are joining live from outside the health department, the Shastha Bhavan, and you can see how the junior doctors here have sit down in protest. They are saying that we have our own set of demands. We are asking for the resignation of the health secretary, and until and unless our demands are met, we are going to continue the siege walk. Let me go, in fact, to these doctors who are sitting here. Sir, if you can tell us which college and hospital you are from, and
Medical College, Kolkata.
okay, and is the siege walk going to continue? The 5 p.m. is over, the deadline is over.
Yes, the deadline was given by the Supreme Court that they will, if the junior doctors do not join their work within 5 p.m. today, that is passed just now, that they will not protect us from any of the consequences from the state government side. But as you can see, we are sitting in here and we haven't joined any work.
So clear answer saying that we haven't joined work, we are still sitting here. Let me go across to you also. If you can tell us what are the major demands of the doctors, what are you trying to communicate to the health department?
हिंदी में बोल सकते पहला जो दावी है वो है कि डिमांड है वो है कि हेल्थ केयर जो सिस्टम है उसमें जो रेफरल सिस्टम है उसके वजह से बहुत पेशेंट्स को प्रॉब्लम होते है, तो एक सही रेफरल सिस्टम और वहाँ पर जो जीडीए का अपॉइंटमेंट होता है वो परमानेंट हो। सेकेंड डिमांड है डीएमई डीएचएस और हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी का रेजिग्नेशन। थर्ड है कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस विनीत गोयल का रेजिग्नेशन। फोर्थ है जो थ्रेट कल्चर है हमारे कॉलेज में इम्पोज्ड बाय द टीएमसी गवर्नमेंट, उसको एबोलिश करना। ये है हमारा मेजर 5 डिमांड्स।
So you can hear from the doctors who are sitting here in strike, the junior doctors, they have not joined work. And remember, it's 5:05 now. We are past, 5 minutes past the deadline that has been set by the Supreme Court. They very clearly say that the deadline was given, yes, but we are here in protest. We have not joined back work. And they say, let the health department, let the state government take action if they want to. And you can see that they're here sitting in protest, and they are saying that the police commissioner have to resign, the health secretary have to resign. And as you can see, visuals right in front of you, not one, not two, hundreds of junior doctors have joined in protest, and they have started from Karunamoyi More, and they are still standing here in protest outside the health department.
Okay. All right, Shreya, thanks very much for joining us at the moment. Shreya Mondal, viewers, my colleague in Kolkata, getting us the latest. In fact, that visual that you see on your screens is what is happening right now in Kolkata, where doctors are saying that they will not return to duty. This, remember, comes even as the Supreme Court had directed doctors to return to duty, stop their protests, and asked the West Bengal government to ensure their safety. In turn, what the doctors are saying is that the Mamata Banerjee government in West Bengal must fulfill their demands and that they will not return to duty until their demands are fulfilled.